Hello, my artsy friends. In this video, we'll be going over the tassel technique. Let's jump in. We're going to start with our water-soluble stabilizer. So I printed on that and I'm just going to cut it out and stick it on here. And then I'm going to start wrapping the floss around my fingers. I'm using the full floss, so all 6 strands. And I'm going to get it to a point where I like how full it is. And then I'm just going to take a piece of that. I'm going to tie it around the bottom and knot that, make sure it's really tight. And then I'm going to secure it. So I'm securing this with a satin stitch, coming up through the back, down through the front, side by side by side, and making sure that that's secured really well. Then I'm just going to be cutting to create my tassel. All those loops, we're just going to cut those apart, and then I'm going to give it a little bit of a haircut. And it creates this really cool textured effect. And that's the tassel technique. Thank you for stitching with me today. Be sure to download your free pattern sampler and guide wherever you're watching this lesson. I'll see you next time. Happy stitching!